Here are some tips to stop snoring. 1. Lose weight if you're overweight. 2. Sleep on your side, not your back. 3. Avoid alcohol before bed. 4. Avoid sleeping on your back. 5. Treat nasal congestion or blockages. 6. Stop smoking. 7. Use a humidifier. 8. Exercise regularly. 9. Avoid sleeping on your stomach. 10. Treat sleep apnea with a continuous positive airway pressure (CPAP) machine. Note: if your snoring is severe or accompanied by other symptoms, it's best to consult a doctor to determine the underlying cause and receive proper treatment.